Hello friends, welcome to Nandu's cookbook. Today's recipe is crispy tea time snack, that is potato save. Let's start the preparation. Take 2 peeled and boiled potatoes. Grate it finely. Grate it without any pieces. Take into a bowl and add 2 cups of gram flour or besan. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, half teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. Mix all the ingredients well and knead into a dough. Add water gradually and knead into a dough. Sorry friends, I have added 1 teaspoon of oil. I think the video got deleted. You do not forget to add oil. Then rest for 10 minutes. Then take a murukku maker, place a small disc which contains small hole and grease it with oil. Now take half portion of dough and roll into cylindrical shape and stuff into the murukku maker. Close the lid. Heat the oil and press gently and drop the dough into oil. Deep fry it in medium flame. Fry it evenly both the sides until it turns golden brown. Fry both sides evenly. Here your potato save is almost ready. Likewise, make save with remaining dough. Enjoy it with tea. Thank you for watching friends. Please like, share and subscribe Nandu's cookbook for more videos.